Hey guys, Alexander Eli here with Prestige Exteriors LLC, doing another project here in Connecticut. It's a flat roof, a torch down, but we're not replacing the entire roof. What we're doing today is a silicone product. We're sealing the entire flat roof. Now the life of this roof is, as you can see, a little bit older, and it does need to be replaced, but to save our owners extra money, what we're doing is sealing the entire roof. You probably get a few years out of it, but as long as you do it right, especially with me, you get a lot more years out of it, especially with a warranty. So I'll show you guys what we're looking to do before we start siliconing it and take it from there. So right now I'm showing you the parapet wall, and as you can see, a handful of contractors has come out here and patched up the areas. So we're doing the same thing, only difference is we're using Carnac material, which is very good, and making sure not only you have patch tape, but also roof cement twice. So as you can see, each seam, due to the life of the roof, somewhat open. Now we can't determine unless we rip everything apart. But what we're going to do is patch each seam with the material to seal it properly. Hey guys, day 2, Alexander Eli here with Prestige Exteriors LLC, and now we're going to silicone seal the entire flat roof. So yesterday we applied all the silicone seal for each seam, made sure we spot patched any of the open areas of the flat roof, especially on the parapet wall, and now we're going to silicone seal the entire roof. Watch how it comes out. Hey guys, so this is our roof. The silicone product I was talking about. All sealed, all white. Remember, all seams are all sealed. And now with this Henry silicone product for your flat roof. You're good for 10 years, probably longer, but with me, I maintain it. Like and subscribe this video. If you're looking for an estimate in Connecticut, give me a call.